What if I told you that the secret to youthful, glowing skin doesn't come from expensive creams or painful treatments, but from natural remedies that have been used for centuries? Meet Ayesha, a 65-year-old grandmother who has never used an anti-aging cream, chemical-based serum, or cosmetic treatment, yet she looks decades younger than her actual age. Her skin is smooth, radiant, and free from wrinkles. People often ask, "What's your secret?" Today, she's finally revealing her powerful home remedies for anti-aging that include nutrient-rich foods, facial exercises, and homemade skincare solutions. Stay with me till the end, because tip number 6 is a hidden gem that most people ignore, yet it's the reason Ayesha's skin looks younger every year. Let's dive into her natural anti-aging routine and uncover the secrets to looking younger, feeling healthier, and keeping your skin firm and wrinkle-free. Secret 1. The right anti-aging foods for beautiful skin. Ayesha always says, "What you eat shows on your skin." Every morning, she starts her day with a nutrient-rich meal packed with anti-aging foods that provide hydration, antioxidants, and collagen-boosting benefits. Best anti-aging foods: avocados, filled with healthy fats that keep skin hydrated; berries, rich in antioxidants to fight fine lines and wrinkles; salmon, contains omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation; almonds and walnuts, loaded with vitamin E for a youthful glow; green tea and turmeric milk, fight signs of aging and boost skin health. Even Dr. Eric Berg, a well-known expert in nutritional health and ketogenic diet, talks about the importance of eating anti-aging foods to protect your skin and keep it youthful. Ayesha always follows a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet, similar to the ketogenic diet, to help her body stay in ketosis, which promotes better skin, energy, and overall health. Secret 2. Anti-aging face mask for a natural glow. One of Ayesha's most powerful anti-aging secrets is a simple yet effective face mask made from natural ingredients. Homemade anti-aging face mask recipe: 1 teaspoon turmeric, reduces wrinkles and brightens skin; 2 tablespoons yogurt, exfoliates and hydrates the skin; 1 teaspoon honey, provides deep moisture; a few drops of rose water, tightens and tones the skin. How to apply: mix all ingredients well. Apply it evenly on your face and neck. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Repeat twice a week for visible results. This anti-aging home remedy is better than any store-bought anti-aging cream or serum. Secret 3. The ultimate anti-aging homemade serum. Forget costly commercial serums. Ayesha makes her own powerful anti-aging serum that helps keep her skin tight, firm, and wrinkle-free. Homemade anti-aging serum recipe: 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, repairs skin and hydrates deeply; 5 drops vitamin E oil, fights fine lines and aging spots; 3 drops rosehip oil, boosts collagen and elasticity; 2 drops lavender essential oil, soothes skin and reduces stress. How to use: apply every night before bed for a natural facelift effect. Massage it gently in an upward motion to enhance blood circulation. Ayesha swears by this home remedy for anti-aging, and her results are proof that natural treatments work. Secret 4. Anti-aging face massage and facial exercises. Ayesha practices anti-aging face massage techniques and facial exercises to prevent sagging skin and wrinkles. Best anti-aging facial exercises: forehead lift, smooths fine lines and prevents deep wrinkles; cheek lifts, keeps cheeks firm and plump; jawline definer, prevents double chin and sagging skin; eye massage, reduces dark circles and puffiness. Paired with a night cream or anti-aging serum, these exercises can help delay signs of aging naturally. Secret 5. Hand and neck care. The forgotten anti-aging areas. Most people only focus on their face, but Ayesha reminds us that hands and neck can reveal age faster than anything else. Homemade anti-aging hand cream recipe: shea butter, deep hydration and nourishment; coconut oil, acts as a natural sunscreen; aloe vera, repairs and soothes dry, aging skin; Massaging your hands and neck daily with this homemade cream prevents fine lines and wrinkles in these often neglected areas. Secret 6. Overnight anti-aging hack. Hydration and sleep. Did you know poor sleep speeds up aging? Quick fixes for youthful skin. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep skin hydrated. Get 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep to allow skin to repair itself. Use a silk pillowcase to prevent sleep wrinkles. Secret 7. At-home hydrafacial treatment for glowing skin. Ayesha's final secret is her weekly hydrafacial routine done at home. Homemade hydrafacial steps. Steam your face to open pores and cleanse deeply. Apply an aloe vera and honey mask to hydrate and nourish skin. Use an ice cube facial massage to tighten and lift skin. Results: a naturally glowing, younger-looking complexion. Zara, Ayesha's niece, followed her anti-aging routine for 1 month, and the results were unbelievable. Her skin became brighter, firmer, and completely wrinkle-free. Moral of the story: aging is a natural process, but premature aging is preventable. Follow these home remedies, anti-aging foods, and natural skincare techniques. Are you most excited to try first? Comment below. Like and share this video to help others discover these powerful home remedies. Subscribe for more skincare secrets, home remedies, and health tips.